Having issues with your sprinkler system? Sprinkler Master can help. We are a full-service professional sprinkler repair company that specializes in sprinkler maintenance and repair. Each of our sprinkler technicians is experienced, friendly, and knowledgeable about sprinklers. We pride ourselves on being able to fix any sprinkler problem you have, so give us a call. From fixing sprinkler heads to replacing solenoid valves, installing a smart timer, or raising sprinkler heads for a flower bed, we've got your back. Call us at 801-988-9671 to get the Sprinkler Masters in South Jordan on the job.